We make the present perfect continuous by using have plus been plus verb with ing. Have been doing something. Now, the present perfect continuous is similar to the present perfect simple, just for a few differences. Like we said before, the present perfect simple was emphasizing something had finished, but now we're emphasizing the activity itself. So, for example, I have been working today. I have been working today. Now, like we learnt before, we learnt that the present perfect simple is used to talk about repeated activities, but we can use the present perfect continuous to talk about how long something has been happening. So, for example, I have been talking for 2 minutes. I have been talking for 2 minutes. We can also use since to talk about duration as well. For is used to talk about the amount of time, but since is used to talk about a point in time. So I have been talking since 4 p.m. I have been talking since 4 p.m. And usually we use the present perfect continuous to give the idea that something is just temporary and not permanent. So, for example, during the summer we've been eating lunch in the garden. During summer we've been eating lunch in the garden. And just before we finish, I'd just like to add that verbs that describe states, feelings, or things we do with our brain, verbs that are called non-action verbs, can only be used with present perfect simple. Verbs such as be, have, taste, believe, and understand can only be used in the present perfect simple. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help you.